Hello guys! Today, share ko lang sa inyo ang one of misconceptions about life insurance and investment. Sara, makukuha ko lang naman ng insurance kapag patay na ako. To correct this misconception, ibang-iba na po ang structure ng mga life insurance nowadays. Hindi lang po ito mapapakinabangan kapag patay na si client. Marami po itong living benefits. Ito po yung term natin sa mga benefits na magagamit ng ating client habang siya ay buhay pa. Ano po ba ang example ng mga living benefits? Number 1, critical illness. Hospitalization due to health issues or accidents. Disability benefits, waiver of premium, and investment fund value. Let me explain each one of them. So number 1, yung critical illness benefit or critical illness coverage. So, if you were diagnosed with critical illness, ano bang example ng critical illness? Cancer, stroke, heart attack. Covered dito sa PRU ang total of 36 to 52 critical illnesses. So, if that happens, the policy will provide you with an amount na nakalagay dun sa contract to help you with your recovery and treatment. Second is hospitalization benefits for health issues and accidents. Dito po sa PruLife UK, meron po tayong tinatawag na daily hospital income. Bakit daily hospital income? Ito po kasi yung kapalit ng sahod mo dahil hindi ka nakapasok. So essentially, kung na-confine ka sa hospital, automatic hindi ka nakapasok sa work. So ito yung kapalit ng income mo. Hanggang kailan ba ako covered ng daily hospital income? So, ang sagot po is hanggang sa makalabas ka ng hospital. So for example, inabot ka ng 2 weeks sa hospital, covered ka ni PruLife UK. And if talagang mahaba ang hospitalization, covered ka ni PruLife UK kahit isang buong taon or kahit lumipat pa ng another taon, nasa hospital ka pa din. But syempre, ayaw naman nating mag-staycation sa hospital. But if in case hindi ito maiiwasan, covered ka pa din ni PruLife UK. For accidental medical reimbursement naman po, ang most common po na nakiklaim dito sa PruLife UK is yung mga na-scratch or nakagat ng mga aso at pusa. Yan, pangkaraniwan po yan na nakiklaim ng ating mga clients. With the disability benefit naman po, normally, meron pong lump sum na matatanggap si insured person kapag totally disabled na po siya. And most commonly naman po, nilalagyan din ni agent ng waiver of premium itong disability benefit. Kasi po, syempre, kapag disabled na ang isang tao, mahirap naman pong paghanapin pa siya ng pambayad doon sa kanyang policy. So, nilalagay itong waiver of premium para si client hindi na magbayad ng kanyang premium while he is still recovering. So, kailan ulit magre-resume ng bayad si client? Magbabayad po siya kapag siya ay naka-recover na or kung matapos na yung plan, whichever comes first. Another living benefit po is yung investment fund value. Nabanggit ko nga po sa mga previous kong videos na pwede po tayong mag-withdraw from the policy if meron po tayong sapat na fund value. Ito pong fund value na to, pwede po nating magamit for business venture or any purchases na mahalaga po para sa atin. Just always remember guys that life insurance and investment is not always about its death benefit. It's all about being prepared and to have that peace of mind na if in case there is an emergency, you have a safety net. Message me if you want to customize a plan that is sustainable and tailored fit for your needs. Ayun lang for today guys. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.